A melody is shaped by the scale it follows. Each scale and mode has its own unique characteristics influenced by the arrangement of its intervals. The order of these intervals affects the mood. Scales starting with more major second intervals tends to sound optimistic. For example, the brightest scales are the major scale and the Lydian mode. Lydian sounds the most optimistic because it starts with 3 major seconds. When the second or the first step is half, the scale becomes darker. To illustrate this, let's listen to the natural minor and the Phrygian scale. The Locrian mode is the darkest and most unsettling scale because it has 2 minor seconds close to the root. Moreover, the root and the fifth form a tritone, also known as a diminished fifth. So, if you intend to craft a very optimistic and shining bright melody, you have to use major or Lydian. For a darker, more somber mood, consider scales like Phrygian or Locrian. Of course, we don't have to examine scales only along the axis of darkness and happiness. Some scales and modes like the Dorian mode and the Arabic scale, also known as double harmonic scale, provide ancient and mystical moods.